Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to make a rice pudding kheer. Here we have all the ingredients. We're gonna make it by using a cup of rice pudding. This, as you can see, this is not the ordinary rice. We're gonna use double cream, milk, sugar, cardamom, almonds chopped and peeled, and coconut. First you need to wash the rice and then you need to soak it for 1 hour. Okay, so that's the milk into the pan. It's about 2 liter, a bit less than 2 liter. 1 cup of rice, and that's your sugar depending on your taste. So we added 3 big spoons. The rice being soaked for over an hour. Okay, so you add the rice pudding. Okay, now you need to let this boil first. It will take a bit of time. And as you can see, it's gone a bit thicker. We added some cardamom, I didn't film, and some coconut, desiccated coconut, half there, and we put half in there. The half is gonna go later. As you can see, it's at the moment it still needs to get thickened. The kheer is now almost ready. We're just adding the double cream. The almonds, as you can see, it's gone very thick. The kheer is now ready. It come out really creamy. Now I'm gonna put it into bowls. Okay, so that's there into a big bowl and into small bowls, 1 for each serving. So that's your rice pudding or kheer, all done. Now we're garnishing it with desiccated coconut and almonds. Thank you for watching our videos, and please subscribe. Your subscription give us the will to make more videos. So till next time, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.